Last week I was in Asunción in Paraguay, so one of my favorite places in South America. Why? Because Paraguay gives you the chance to get a residency in a very straightforward process. Pretty easy to get. You have two different options: temporary without request to make any investment, or you can go for the permanent residency route, investing $70,000, and this investment needs to be productive in the country. It's necessary to hire, or at least in your investment you need to employ 5 people. My name is Herman Kramerman. I am the CEO of Kramerman Immigration and Investments. I will talk a little bit what are my feelings and what I see in Asunción in Paraguay. I used to go to Paraguay very often because we set up a company there, we have office there, and we help a lot of our clients to move to Paraguay, or at least get a second residency in order to lower taxes and have a plan B residency in South America, in Paraguay, one of the countries that are out of the radar, one of the best one in my point of view, and get 0% taxes in your worldwide income. According to what I see regarding the cost of living, is very affordable. If you compare the cost of living, for example, in Argentina now duplicates 2 or 3 times in comparison with Asunción. If you go to the supermarket in Asunción, wow, it's very affordable. The products are great. Also, if you want to go out for a restaurant, have meat, amazing meat, and a very affordable price. In my point of view, cost of living very affordable, but with good quality of food and also very good services. There are a lot of new bars, coffee stores. Also, if you are a fan of coffee, you will have a lot of different options where you can try homemade coffee in Asunción and spend a good time there. Regarding with renting or buying apartment, real estate market is growing a lot. I have seen in Villamorra, and there are streets that the name is Molas Lopez, that is pretty new, and there are a lot of new developments that are growing there. If you've been in Asunción, it's near to Shopping del Sol, that is the new part of Asunción. You can get an apartment for $600-700 per month. If you want to invest, there are a lot of developers that give you apartments for buy with a lot of financiation, so you can pay in statements, and in this way also get a permanent residency card. According to the weather, it's kind of weird. Asunción is so hot. You will have days of 37 Celsius degrees, and it always works in the same way. You will have 3-4 days or probably 5 days that's very hot, then rain, and then the temperatures going down for a couple of days. It's kind of tropical climate. What is new in the immigration department and in the immigration services in Asunción? The last couple of weeks, the immigration department was under control, so they are kind of more strict in some bureaucratic stuff. For example, with power of attorney to pick up cédulas. Sometimes if you not write very well the power of attorney, probably they deny to your service provider or to your lawyer to give, or to representatives to give you the cédula, because the power of attorney have some missing point. For example, they are more strict with some bureaucratic or some things on the process that you need to keep an eye on that. Every week with our clients, we go to the immigration department trying to see what is new. I was in the immigration department last week and I made a short video showing how is the building, etc. So you can see it now. If you are planning to get a residency in Paraguay, well, this is the place where you will come the first time. This is the immigration department. This is Asunción, and here you will process the first step of your residency. I hope you enjoy watching this short video that I made last week. So if you have any question, just let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.